Hi, I'm Angela with ICI Homes at Woodhaven, located in one of the most desirable areas in Port Orange, Florida. Woodhaven is one of ICI Homes' newest gated communities, which features a 1- and 2-story luxury villas. Our Blossom Villa features 2 master suites, with 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. The Blossom is 2,078 living square feet, with 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a spacious bonus room, and a 2-car garage. This home has 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, under-cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, a large double-door pantry, and an undermount stainless sink. This home also features a sliding glass door which leads out to the private screen-covered lanai and a master bathroom that features a large walk-in closet, a large vanity with quartz countertops, and a private water closet. Our villas all have brand new Energy Star appliances and includes a 210 home buyer's warranty. Our luxury villas at Woodhaven offer a low monthly HOA, which includes access to our amenity center and exterior maintenance, including roof, paint, gutters, and sprinklers, as well as all lawn maintenance and landscaping. Buying a brand new energy efficient home can save you hundreds in yearly energy costs. ICI Homes is a family-owned company that has been in business for 40 years and has consistently ranked in the nation's top 100 builders by Builders Magazine. We are available 7 days a week, so give us a call today and we will be happy to help you.